Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram story from someone on Instagram. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner. Then go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. When you're at the menu, I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down. And I want you to focus on the section who can see your content. The last option in this menu is hide story and live. If you click over here, then you will be prompted to move on and pick people that you want to hide your story from. As you can see over here, you can also hide all of your photos, all of your videos, including the ones that you're adding as a story from specific people. Very important, this also will hide live videos. If you go live and these people are already hidden from your original content, well, all you gotta do is to click on the person and then done. This person is added to the people that content will be hidden from. Very easy, very simple, as I mentioned. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.